My name is Mayank, and I am here to help you with one of the most common questions that we get through, and we are not sure what to do, how to land up into front end development, how to learn the technologies, what all skill set is required for you to grasp more knowledge on it. So first of all, we'll go through one of the very common questions. So let me tell you. So this is my first lecture. So let me explain you in very depth so that the students who are facing this kind of issues, so they will you know able to get much knowledge into it. So what all is needed to be a front end developer? So this is the most common question that I come across with the people around me. So I think if you want to be in front end development role, so you should be much interested. I think the first and foremost factor is the interest. If you are having the interest in designing the application from the very beginning, so let's say if you go to any of the application around, so let's say if you want to build this complete website, so it has some of the most, these are the navigation bar and all those things. If you are interested to learn this particular technology, you need to be aware about all these concepts. So if you want there are few skills that are needed to be a front end developer. So first and foremost skill, what I would suggest is the HTML. You should be very much aware of, and the CSS. CSS is cascading style sheet. You should be knowing how you are styling this particular web page, any web page that you are designing. And this JavaScript you should be aware of, and any framework that you want to learn and you want to grasp more knowledge into it, so you should focus on it. So second question is, what skills are needed to learn it? I think I have answered it. You should be aware about HTML5, I would say, and then CSS3, and then pure JS. Just try to learn. Start with pure JavaScript development. I would be sharing some basic stuff that you should learn in order to know more about it. Which framework should I learn? It totally depends. The framework is totally depend on you. What you want to learn, what technology do you want to use, whether it is, so there are different, different frameworks in market. So we have Angular, we have other frameworks, but I would suggest before learning these frameworks, you need to be you need to grasp knowledge in JavaScript. If you know JavaScript, believe me, you will work on any of the framework in the market. So all the frameworks are based on JavaScript. If you know pure JavaScript from the very beginning, so you'll be able to learn any of the framework. And if you are good in this JS, any company can hire you without any knowledge in frameworks. Mind my words. So this is the first thing that I'm sharing. So this Angular, and apart from this, you have this React JS. You might have heard of the Facebook. Facebook is the biggest example of React. So React framework, React is not a framework, it's a library. I would be telling the difference between library and framework as well. So this library is, you are using this library using JavaScript. So there is a huge difference between a library and the framework, which is in case Angular. So in Angular provides all the things deep inside. I mean, if you want to navigate from one page to another and other things, you don't need anything. This Angular is enough for it. But for React.js, as it's a library, so you would need, if you want to hit a page, if you want to navigate from one page to another, you would need certain different libraries. So React.js advantage is you can combine multiple things and then can use it and then can leverage it accordingly. So React.js is is in much demand in market as compared to Angular. I have worked on both Angular as well as React. So my personal opinion is to learn React. So I have answered this question: which technology should I concentrate upon? So I think React is a library that you should be learning. From where you should start? Yeah. So this is the question that I need to discuss with you guys. So I think for the start point of how to get into front end development tool, I would suggest I was not a front end developer from the very beginning. I have around six to 7 years of experience in IT, but let me tell you straight away, I don't have the experience from the very beginning into front end development. How I get into front end developer, I get into this front end developer role is that I was very much keen of learning how these websites are built, how are we using them, how these ads are coming, how these panels are there, how each and everything is working. So the starting point is you should concentrate in is you should know HTML. And I would suggest you should know small things like the elements and what are elements, what are the tags, paragraph tag, heading tag, break. So these all things you need to learn about. So headings, paragraphs, styles. So I think basic knowledge is enough. So for CSS, cascading style sheet, for designing this particular style, how this button is being styled. See this is a green color, right? And it has arrow, and then this previous is written, it has certain font. So for learning it, you should go to this W3 schools. For basic, I would suggest learning it through W3 schools, CSS. So these are the basic that you need to learn. Apart from it, front-end development is incomplete without learning JavaScript. So you need to be proficient in JS. So JavaScript, you should go and see this website. It's amazing. The content is very amazing, and I would suggest you should go from the very beginning and then you should start doing it. So this JavaScript language, you can start from here and you can go and do it up to here. If you can do it up to here, you will be very much proficient. And one more thing I want to say, that in order to learn this JavaScript, you need to actually hands on, you need to practice this. So how you can practice it? You can use any editor, JS code editor. You will find various editors. You can use any one of them, be it JS Fiddle, JS Do, be it Play Code. So you can see, you can write your own statements and then execute those. Similarly, in JS Fiddle, you can write HTML, CSS, and you can see the result over there. So that's how it is. Let's go to other questions. I am from a non-technical coding background. How can I learn UI? So the basic and foremost is you should start from HTML, move to CSS by combining HTML and CSS, make some pages. Don't use any code editor. I'm not saying about JS, but for simple designing of application, you should be using HTML and CSS only. Then afterwards you can start with. I am new to front end. How can I start coding? So for starting coding, you should be aware about JS. So you need to learn basics of JS first, and then you are done. So time depends on the practice and practice. I would suggest more practice, more knowledge. So practice is the only key where you can use it. So which is better, React, Angular, or jQuery? I would suggest you should go for React, as it is much in demand and you can earn a lot through it, believe me. So thank you. So any other questions, you can post on the comment section. I will be happy to answer, and I will be happy to help you all. You can just post the comments and I'll be seeing them, and I will be reviewing them, and I'll answer it accordingly. I will create another lecture to tell you more about it. How can you start from the very basic HTML, CSS, and JS, and then go into the React mode. React JS is being used in the Facebook application. When you scroll, when you comment, when you do each and everything, you'll be able to go through React. So Angular is easy as compared to React, as React uses the basic JavaScript things. We have multiple things into picture, so I'll tell you later. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks for listening.